Hi, folks. My name is Tom Nicoli, and if you're a hypnotist attending the National Guild of Hypnotists convention this August, I'd like to personally invite you to a workshop that may completely change how you think about helping clients create results. Most hypnotists believe the key to success is learning more techniques, more inductions, more scripts, more protocols. But after more than 27 years of working with clients, thousands and thousands of clients along the way, I discovered something surprising. The most powerful tool we have is not another technique. It's our language. In my 2-hour workshop, Effective Language Patterns and Techniques for Client Results, we'll explore how the words you use, the tone you use, and the timing of those words can dramatically influence the results your clients achieve. You'll learn how to create powerful suggestions that produce real change, language patterns you can use even before the induction begins, why the formal session is often not the real session at all, how to use words, tone, and timing to dramatically increase impact, and techniques to get to the real issue much faster. This isn't just a lecture. We'll have live interaction, hands-on practice, because we all learn best when we apply what we're learning. So join me Friday, August 7th at 4 p.m. at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. And if you want to become more confident, more effective, and more powerful in the way you help your clients, I'll see you there.